Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a live photo or disable taking a live photo on iOS 18. Go to Camera app and then click on this arrow on the top of your screen and you can enable live photo. Click on this icon and you can set it to auto, on or off. Let me take a photo, a live photo of this flower. And now you can see that when I go into gallery and press and hold on this photo, it's a live photo, it's moving. Let's now try disabling live photo. And when I take a photo, then you can see it's not live anymore, because when I press and hold on it, it does nothing. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.